In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table of contents in Notion. Creating a table of contents is a great way to organize your pages, especially if you have long documents, detailed notes, or articles with multiple sections. It allows you and your readers to quickly navigate through headings, making your workspace more structured and easier to use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a table of contents in just a few simple steps. To begin, it's important to ensure that the sections or headings in your page are properly formatted. The table of contents in Notion relies on headings to generate links, so any text you want included should be set as a heading. Notion provides 3 levels of headings: Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. You can use any combination of these levels depending on how detailed your document is. For example, you might use Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for smaller topics. As long as the text is formatted as a heading, it will be recognized by the Table of Contents feature. Once all your headings are properly set up, move your cursor to the top of the page or to the place where you want your table of contents to appear. Then, type the /command followed by Table of Contents. Notion will instantly create the table of contents, listing all your headings in order. Each item in the table acts as a clickable link, allowing you to jump directly to that section of the page. This makes navigation faster and keeps your content organized without needing to scroll through long pages manually. The table of contents is dynamic, which means it will automatically update if you add new headings or rearrange sections. This is especially useful for pages that are frequently updated, such as project notes, study materials, or collaborative documents. You can also move the table of contents around the page if you want it in a sidebar or at the top of your content, depending on your layout preferences. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a functional table of contents in Notion, making your pages more navigable and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.